What's up, friends? How you doing? Well, I hope. Today is another LA vlog. You guys really seem to enjoy the last at-home vlog. I literally did nothing, but thank you so much for watching it. Today we have a little bit more fun planned. I'm gonna go plant shopping. So we have a little bit of a home decor shopping day. So many of you I'm sorry. Okay, so many of you are like, Kelly, where's your apartment tour? And the thing is, it's coming. However, wait, lips are ashy, sorry. It's coming. But the way that I decorate takes kind of longer. Phone's ringing, BRB. Sorry about that. And of course I come back to the same spot in my living room to continue. And now there's some sort of outside noise. Anyway, the way that I decorate is really harder because it takes longer. So I don't really just go to like furniture stores and I don't know, order everything from IKEA or get everything from Home Goods. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. It's just not how I prefer to decorate. So everything is usually vintage or curated and I have to like find the thing, you know? So I'm still on the search. I'm gonna move because it's loud. Still on the search for a bunch of things. I also keep getting things and returning them because #trash. So I got a coffee table. I posted on my IG. Everyone went crazy. I lived with it for like a month and I was like, just kidding, I don't want this. It was just a little bit in the way and a little too specific. I think I want something a little more minimal. I changed my rug. Like, I don't know, I bought and returned 2 dressers. Like, I'm crazy. So I'm almost done. I'm figuring it out. I'm completely devoid of plants. So aside from the flowers that I have sitting on my dining table. So I'm going to this plant store. I actually did a little like ask me on Instagram and I said, do you guys know any really good like plant resources in LA? And one person, oh, what an angel, sent me a link to this girl on YouTube who her entire channel is about plants. I'm gonna link it below just in case you guys need a plant resource. She knows a lot and she goes shopping and she went shopping to a plant store in LA. So I'm gonna go to that plant store because the prices were so good. Like, plants are expensive, y'all. Like, why are plants so expensive? They're everywhere. Like, why do we have to pay $1 jillion to put one in our home? So prices were good. They opened today. I think they opened just now. So I'm headed there. And then I'm gonna go to Pop-Up Home. My friend Trish owns a store. She's like one of the first people I met in LA. I was stalking her on Instagram. I walked into her store and she was like, I know you, I met you. You know, she like saw my Instagram and we just became like fast friends. So going over there, because I got my coffee table there and actually put it back there. So I sold it, consigned it there. And I'm gonna look for some like more things for like shelves. So we have a fun day coming. For those of you, I'm gonna go do this because I failed. For those of you who wanted to see the fan, remember I said I'm gonna show you my oven ceiling fan? Here it is. Dun da da da! Nothing special. I'm also boiling some eggs.
Hi, how are you?
Good. I'm in the thick of it. Oh my God, you guys, I love a nice, juicy, crowded vintage store. Wow, what's that? I need to investigate. Okay, there's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna take my time and kind of think about what I want to check out, but I definitely need a seat for my vanity. I could use a mirror. Some art would be cool. A lamp would be cool. There's a lot of really good stuff here, so fingers crossed. Okay, the vintage store was a success. It didn't have exactly what I needed, but it was good to meet them and like see everything. Ended up talking with one of the like owner manager people for a while. But we're in the plant store. I'm so excited. I want one of those like pleated palms. I don't know what they're called. Maybe a fern, I'm not sure. So let's explore together. I had one of these guys in New York. Love a fiddle fig. I think that's what it's called. This one's really tall. Wow. The cacti seems intense to try to bring home, but might be worth it. These guys are nice. Oh my God, I don't know what I want. Does anyone know what I want? How am I gonna carry all these plants home? Because I want everything. Let's figure that out. I wish I knew more about plants, but I'm finding some really cute guys. And yeah, now I gotta figure out how to get it back to my apartment. But yeah, the owner of the shop is amazing and very helpful. And I'm asking a lot of questions, so let's see.
Hello, this is Holly. Hi, Holly.
He's great. All right, so stay tuned for what we end up with at home. Friends, I'm home. I had to change my shirt because my sweatshirt got really hot. The weather changed. But I'm gonna show you my plants. I'm excited. How cute is she? Oh my God, I'm so, like, I'm obsessed with this one. I wanna put this one in my bedroom. This one, I'm not sure. So now that I carried my very giant plants home in an Uber, it was a feat. It was a tale. It was a lot. I'm going to head out to pop up home to go see Trish and see like what the heck she has going on over there. Sorry for the background noise. There's a lot of construction and I don't know why, and it's annoying, and I'm sorry. Forgot to share one thing. I'm selling this guy, and the people who are buying it from me are on their way to pick it up. But it's this mid-century piece that used to live in my bedroom in New York, and I brought it here because I thought that I could use it, but I got something that I like better. So I'm excited to give this a new home. Made it to pop-up home. Trish is here.
Oh my God.
We both look a hot mess. Listen, you see what's on my head? We're here to figure out our lives. She wants to show me things, so I don't know. Let's see. It's my favorite land in the world. It's the favorite land. I'm such a homeware slut. It's actually disturbing how much I love it inside of here. Don't you feel like I need these? We talked about these.
Yeah,
I do.
I think those are great. Bookends?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need them.
What else is in here? Oh, that mirror is insane. Wait, is that the dresser? That dresser's that low?
No.
Oh.
This is the headboard.
Oh, okay.
To those are the side tables.
Yeah, those are sick.
The dresser's back here.
Oh my God, do you see this at a J? Do you see this coffee table? Do you see this coffee table? Wow. Oh my God, this lamp. Do I need that lamp?
Yes.
Really? Yes.
Oh my God.
So much magic is happening.
I'm still dating the same guys I dated in the 90s.
Yeah, that's what
My
I'm afraid
type
of.
does not.
That's what I'm afraid of, girl.
God, it's gorgeous. Oh,
Let me move it.
that, are you freaking kidding me?
I know. Look at the rounded side.
As soon as you were posting it on stories, I was like, yo, I will redesign my whole apartment for this damn thing.
Here we go.
I know, I won't.
Shit.
I love it
I'll
so
get a
much.
random text at like 11 o'clock at night that says, I hate everything. I want to change everything.
I'm a maniac. You guys knew that though. What else? Oh, there's so much good stuff.
Yeah, it's a mess in here to make sure they know.
You're like redesigning. I know. She's in process, you guys. It's not normally junky. It's normally set up like a bunch of just little stories. But they're storying, and stories take process, take work. This travertine or marble.
It's like it's like a mixed stone, but the colors are very like.
It's so perfect.
Pink.
I need this, but smaller.
Yeah.
That too. This is. Okay, I came in here and I got 400% overwhelmed, so I forgot to film, but it's pretty dope, and I'm getting two things, which I'll show you when we get back to my place. I also still need to show you the plants that I bought the other day because I got tired and forgot. So I'll show you this stuff, and I'll show you the plants I got, and a home tour is coming soon, promise. Hi, I look like poo. But I forgot to end the vlog and show you the stuff. So I'm gonna do that really quick and wrap it up. This is one of the like busts that I got from Pop-Up Home. I got two of these and it's sitting here on this table. I got this plant from the plant store. I need to get a pot. I found the pot that I want, and I think I'm gonna put this plant in my room, but for now she's here because she likes the light. Also got this bench yesterday. So this is from that like market thing in Venice that I was at. And these are the other two plants that I got from the plant store last week. This nice little tall palm. I'm getting rid of this lamp, so it's at the door. Here is the second bust. It's on my vanity, which it looks really cute right here. Also, this is the lamp that I got from the Venice Vintage Market. It's cool. Like, there's this like lady just laying there or like kneeling and holding up a ball, and the ball is what lights up. So those are the home things. Yeah, it's coming along. My apartment's pretty much done. I can probably do a tour once I put more things away, clean up a little more. But yeah, I'm looking just for some more art. I need a full-length mirror. I'm still missing that. But it's coming along, and I'm so glad that you have been patient with me, because shopping for vintage takes way longer than just like ordering everything from a store. So yeah. Yes. Y'all. See. I'm delirious. I just woke up and I just ordered Postmates and my coffee didn't come. So kind of bummed about that. Anyway, thanks for going vintage shopping with me. Thanks for watching. Love you, mean it. Bye.